Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are back, and in today's unboxing we have some gel polish sets from Savvyland. So this is what the packaging looks like, and also towards the back it tells you the specifications are 100% vegan and cruelty free, advanced formulas, superior self-leveling, low odor and non-toxicity, which is amazing. Then it also tells you how to use, warning tips, and also how to contact them if you're interested. So let's move right on over to opening. I'm gonna be using my really cute scissor here, and I'm just gonna be opening it. So this is what it looks like. I love the color of the packaging with the gold. I think that's so pretty. So now we're gonna go move on over. Ooh, so you get a nice amount of polishes. We have 3, 6, so we have a total of 12 gel polishes, and we're gonna start by the first one. So this is what the bottles look like, and they are 10 ml each. And then it says the color in the front along with the color on the packaging, and in the back it tells you warning information, etc, etc. So here it says a light gray. So this is the color. Looks very pigmented. The next one is Black Star. Ooh, so this one has glitter in it, which is really, really nice. Then we have Gray Brown. And some of the colors match the color on the bottle and others don't. This one is Nude Pink. These colors are really pretty. And then we also have this glittery one in silver. Oh wow, this is very pretty. We also get this glittery gold one. Then we have Wine Red. We also get Red Star. It's a glittery one, very pretty. We also have White. We have Dusty Rose. We get gold, but this is more like a copper or like a bronze. And then lastly we have black. So this is just plain black. And then in the bottom, I've noticed we have our instructions down here. So it's just our instructions booklet with how to remove, how to apply, do's and don'ts, etc, etc. And in the back it has more information. So let's get right on to this tutorial. So the color that I'm going to be focused on working with today is Black Star, the black glittery one. So next I am going to be applying the full coverage nails from Inal Couture in Extreme Square. These do go for $29.99 plus tax, and I'm just quickly picking and sizing out my nails and placing them on my nail stand. I will be doing them in press-on form in today's tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. This is actually going to be a very fun video because I am doing some blank French tip nails, and I just thought I would show you a close-up of how I do it and how I've been practicing with regular gel polish bottles. I usually do use the nail art liners, the gel nail art liners, but in this case we don't have any gel nail art liners, just regular gel polishes. So I just show you the way that I do it. And here I'm just applying the, I think this color is called Nude Pink, that also came in the gel polish kit. So I'm just doing a light coat on every single nail. I'm only going to be doing one coat because I want to just focus on the French nail tip. I will be showing you up close the way that I do it. And French nails are something that I've always loved, just that I've always kind of been intimidated by. But recently I've just been practicing a lot off camera and just doing some fun sets. And I honestly feel a lot more comfortable. I'm obviously not perfect at it, but I do feel a lot more comfortable doing it. And I'm just in love with French nails at the moment. So I've just been having a lot of fun and doing that. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this video is helpful. I'm more of a visual learner, so I don't know about you all, but I learn more through visually seeing how people do things. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys my process of doing the French nails with a regular gel polish bottle. I will also be showing you a really great application brush that you can get through Madam Glam. That's honestly amazing. I recommend it 100%. And I also do have a discount code for you on regards to that brush. It's really good for cleaning up and stuff like that, especially when doing French nails. So I will be showing that in the video as well. And I do enjoy using 100% pure acetone to clean up the French line. So you guys will see the process of that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below of this particular set. I really liked how it turned out. Let me know if you guys would rock this set. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to never miss out. And subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate you all and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And I wanted to talk about really quickly what I thought about this particular gel polish. Honestly, I thought it was great and very inexpensive as well. As you guys are seeing here, the color is really beautiful and it's actually pretty pigmented for a color that is supposed to be a nude pink. So just with one coat, it looks really beautiful. You don't even need a second one and it looks absolutely fabulous. So I really love that, and it was easy to work with. As you guys are seeing here, I don't have any issues, no streaking or anything like that. So I really was happy to try these out. I think this is the first time that I actually try out Saviland gel polishes, if I'm not 100% sure. Usually I've tried like their gel paints and stuff like that, or their poly gels, but I've never tried their actual gel polishes. I don't believe so. So I was really excited that they sent this on over to me. So yeah, by the way, thank you so much to Saviland for sending these over. I don't think or recall me saying that in the beginning of the video. So thank you so much to Saviland. I really appreciate it. So now I'm just getting into the process of me doing the French tip. So I like to start off at the free edge, building my way up, and then I go and I kind of like invisibly in my head, I kind of imagine how I want the French tip to look like, and then I just start going from sidewall to sidewall, bringing it to like an almond type of shape, because that is what I was going for in regards to this French tip. And then I go in and clean it up. So pretty much that's all I do. And this is definitely one of the things that looks easier than what it is. I honestly never really did French tip because I was intimidated and I was scared, but I just went on in with it and I started practicing a lot, and I'm really happy I did, because French games are just a game changer. And I am using this Madam Glam application brush that I mentioned earlier. Absolutely loved it, with some 100% acetone, and that's just pretty much how I that's pretty much how I clean up the French tip to my desired liking, and also to the best of my ability. So I'm just gonna finish talking and let you guys enjoy the process. Let me know down below if you have any questions and I will get back to you. So these are the final results. Let me know what you guys think. You could definitely leave the nails like this. At first I actually matted the whole set out, but then I ended up changing them around. If you guys go on over to my Instagram, you will see what I mean. Yeah, I've definitely been doing a lot of reels lately, so I've been getting a lot of love through there, so I'm really happy. So definitely check out my Instagram. It's GENII_nails. But yeah, I definitely post reels on there and stuff, and you guys can get to see my nail sets, because I don't always create videos on the nail sets that I use, so you do see a lot more nail sets on there. But here I'm just quickly applying some rhinestones along with some caviar silver beads, and I ended up matting it out for the video, but then I went on off camera, and for my Instagram reel I ended up just glossing the French tip in the end and creating some videos on that. But you could definitely do however you desire. These are the final results of the nail set. Let me know down below your thoughts and opinions. And that is it for today's video. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.